If you want to trim audio in VLC Media Player without downloading extra software, this tutorial will walk you through the fastest method. VLC is completely free, easy to use, and if you already have it installed, you can create a trimmed audio clip in just a few steps. This is great for cutting out a specific part of a song, lecture, podcast, voice note, or any audio file you want to save as a shorter version. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets you know when a new guide is uploaded. Alright, let's get into it. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once it's open, look at the top menu and click View. From the drop-down menu, select Advanced Controls. This is an important step because it unlocks extra buttons at the bottom of VLC, including the red record button you'll need for trimming audio. After you enable Advanced Controls, take a look at the bottom of the VLC window. You should now see the additional toolbar. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Just make sure Advanced Controls is checked in the View menu. Next, you want to set the save location for your trimmed audio. Click Tools at the top, then select Preferences. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+P if you want to get there faster. In the Preferences window, go to the Input and Codecs tab. Scroll through the settings until you find the section for Record Directory or File Name. This is where VLC decides where your recorded audio file will be saved. Click Browse and choose a folder on your computer where you want the final trimmed clip to go. It's a good idea to pick an easy-to-find location, like your desktop or a dedicated audio folder, so you can find the file quickly after recording. Once you've selected the folder, click Save to apply the setting. Now that your save location is ready, it's time to open the audio file you want to trim. Go to Media, then click Open File and select your audio track. VLC will load the file and start playback. Once the audio is open, use the playback slider at the bottom to scrub through the track. Move it to the exact point where you want your trimmed clip to begin. Take your time here, because the more accurate your starting point is, the cleaner your final clip will be. If needed, pause and fine-tune the position until you find the exact timestamp. When you're at the start point, click the red record button to begin capturing the audio. Right after that, press play if the audio isn't already playing. If the audio is already running, just let it continue. VLC will now record from that moment onward, creating a new clip based on whatever plays next. Now just listen carefully and wait until the audio reaches the exact endpoint you want. As soon as you get there, click the red record button again to stop the recording. That's what finalizes the trimmed audio file. After you stop the recording, VLC will save the new audio clip in the folder you selected earlier. Open that folder and you should see your trimmed file ready to use. Depending on your system and file type, the output may be saved in a format VLC handles automatically, so you can rename or convert it later if needed. And that's it. You've just trimmed audio in VLC Media Player using the built-in recording feature. No paid tools, no complicated editing timeline, and no extra apps required. It's a simple workaround that works really well once you know where the controls are. If this tutorial helped you, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy software guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.